Namaste everyone, let's explore the marketplace and make some gold. To buy a knife, this is the only legitimate plan to get the knife. Number 1. Marketplace Explore. Number 2. Sharp Case and Box. Number 3. Graffiti Method. Quick tip: check on demand of gun. If offer is lower than request, then demand is high. But if offer is high, and request are low, no demand. This is a simple trick to know the demand of gun. Now, let me explain what's going on in marketplace. So the Frosty Chaos event has started, due to which market will crash. The price of other items will go down, except for Frosty Chaos items. Another major update is about sharp box and cases. They would be removed from the game soon, and brought back in Season 7. On that update you can sell them for gold. So buy as much as sharp box and cases. Last one is Graffiti Method. As I said, Frosty Chaos item will be out on marketplace. But we are buying Graffiti only. Among all the previous events only Graffiti was profitable. So it's better to invest on Graffiti. I would recommend you to invest on Ammo Stocking or Holiday Fuss. Always invest on epic and legendary items. They are cheap and best. Purchase price would be 0.80 to 0.90 gold. Note that Graffiti Method is great method. But it takes time, make the profit. That being said, it's totally worth it. As a freemium players, it's one of the best way to make that 500 gold to buy a knife. It works for 100%. Tips: I sold my Desert Deagle Glass and AWM Poseidon and invest all in Graffiti. Bonus tips: after all the purchasing, set the price 0.03 gold to all Graffiti. You might get lucky enough to get 1 or 2 additionals. Special shout out to Indian Trader AX for helping out on this video. See you in next video.